So the chapter we were discussing is the interacting with the computer. It is chapter number 3 for class 3. So let's begin our today's lesson. Everybody open the worksheet from the class slide. I uploaded the worksheet for you. Everybody open that worksheet from the class slide. And once you open the worksheet, then we will continue start doing the worksheet. The worksheet is uploaded there for you in the class slide. Everybody open that worksheet. So let me pick the pen. Wait a second. So you have to underline or circle the correct or the right words. The word terms means the words for given statements. Where are the statements? The statement is there. Okay. So you have whether you have to circle it or underline it, it's up to you. Okay. So this statement or this worksheet contains three questions. Only three questions are there. In the question number 1, there are 4 MCQs, then question number 2 and 3. This is the small or the short worksheet. Okay, everybody got the worksheet? Now,
Yes, yes.
okay. Emma Jabril,
This
you
is
got
my
the
palm
worksheet?
hand. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Sir, I didn't get the worksheet.
What?
Okay, open the course material. It's
Yes, sir,
available there.
I see.
Right now, the class is
Available
in
in the
very
course
much slow right
material.
now.
It's
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
available in
I
the
if
course
you
see.
didn't
material.
find the worksheet or the worksheet is not there, you can just see my screen and try
No,
the
if
class
I
light
can't
after
see
1 or 2 minutes. It will be available there. Okay,
or
because it's very
load
slow. Some
display.
students get
Okay,
the
sir.
worksheet. Okay, so
If you don't get it, reload and see.
okay, the first question of the worksheet is saying that the process by which the computer converts data into the information is called converting, displaying, or processing. Okay, Abdullah, it's up to you. The process by which the computer converts data into information. Computer converts data. Convert means changing. Changing the data into the information is called dash. Converting, displaying, or processing. Okay, so let's take answer. Remember, the working of computer is called as what? The answer for this question, the working of computer is called as what? The answer of this question is also the answer of the question number 1. Okay, Anas, can you tell us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yad,
Sir. Yes,
repeat your
sir.
answer, please.
Yes.
No, what is the answer?
Processing. Processing.
Okay, okay. Hamza Walid. Okay, Hamza Walid, can you tell us the answer?
Processor.
Okay, so Anas, Yad, Hamza, they are saying it's a processing. Yes, you three, all three guys are right. The right answer is the processing. Okay, it's a processing. So in the chat, Hamza Suleiman also give the answer. Only in the chat, only Hamza Suleiman gave the right answer. It's a processing. And three students had the answer. Very good. The right answer is processing. Okay, so computer converts the data into information is called the processing. As we all know, the working of the computer is called as the processing. Yes, Ahmad Jibril, you are right. Okay, so let make it bold. So the working of computer is also called the processing. Yes, Aham, you are right. Okay, let me change the color of the answer so that everyone see the answer clearly. Answer for the question number 1 is processing. Answer for the question number 1 is processing. The question number 2 is on the screen. The question number 2 is saying that the data that we enter into the computer is called dash. The data we enter into the computer is called dash. Okay, it's called input, output, or keyboard. Okay, the data. We are talking about the data, not the device. Okay, the data that we enter into the computer is called dash. Input, output, or keyboard. So, Ahmad Mohammed. Yes, Ahmad Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Output.
Okay. So Ahmad Mohammed is saying output. Anas. Anas Al Sayed. Yes, Anas Al Sayed.
Um, Keyboard.
Okay. See, I am just saying that we are talking about the data. We are not talking about the device. It is a hint. It means that keyboard is not in the option. When I am saying that we are talking about data, not the device, then keyboard is just a device. So only two options are left. Pick the hint, please. The data. Okay. So, Jihad. Jihad Al Sayed. Yes, please.
Um, input.
Okay. Abdul Aziz. Yes, Abdul Aziz.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the answer for question number two?
The data that we entered into the computer is called output.
Enter means output.
No, I mean input.
It's simple that I'm saying it again and again that we enter the data into the computer. Okay, how it become output? The right answer is input. How it become output? See, it's clearly saying. Everybody is listening me clearly.
Yes.
Everybody is listening me.
Not too much.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, okay.
yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now listen it carefully. The data that we enter, the data which is entered into the computer is called how it become output. The data which is getting out from the computer is the output. The data which is going inside, enter into the computer, it's written over there. It's a basic English. Enter into the computer is called input. The data that we enter into the computer. What data we enter? We enter the click. We enter use the keyboard to enter data. So we're talking about data. I gave you the hint that we are talking about data, not the device. So keyboard is the device. It means that this hint cancels the C option. Only two options are left: input and output. Input means in. There's a word in it, and we are talking about enter. So enter is in. It's a basic easy question. Okay, only one student gave the right answer. The Jihad Al Sayed gave the right answer, and in the chat, so many students gave the right answer. Let me take their name: Eham, Jihad Al Sayed, Jihad Muhammad, Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Usama, Hamza Suleiman, Kareem Muhammad, Hamza Waleed. All these students give the right answer in the chat. Okay, so whenever you see the question, always read or understand the question, that what question is saying. The word is written there: enter. Enter means input. Enter into the computer. Enter into the computer. The thing which is goes inside the computer is an input, and when the computer gives us output result, it's a output. How computer give results? On monitor, on speaker, and on printer. Okay, so everybody understand this answer? Everybody understand this thing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Open the worksheet. Wait for me.
Yes, sir. But I
Okay.
didn't find the worksheet in the class lab.
It's available there. If you refresh the page, you will find it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
find it. And I
I
print
want,
it.
I want to
Okay.
answer question number 3.
Okay. Good. Now we are moving to the question number 3. So Ahmad Jibrail, okay. Thank you, Jihad. Thank you, Ahmad Jibrail. Okay. So some students are using the chat very well. Very good. Ahmad Jibrail and Jihad Mohammed. If you have any question or you want to say anything, you can use the chat. Like I am like just like I am replying the students. Okay. So very good that you both are using the chat very well. So the answer is input. So let me make it bold and change the color. So now we are at the question number 3. The question number 3 is saying that the process data displayed Oh, very good. So students are sending answer. The processed data, the data which is processed, displayed on the monitor is called. For example, we are playing game. For example, we are watching movie. For example, we are seeing our file. It's a document. It's a text. Text means the words, or it's a output. What do we call it? Okay, so good. Okay, Al Humam. Yes, Al Humam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the answer, Al Humam? It is a
The
document,
answer.
it's a text, or it's a output. See, processed data. The data which is processed, displayed, we get the data, we get the result. We get the result on monitor. So what do we call a result?
Document.
Okay. Ahmad Awad. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Output.
Okay. Ahmad Jibrail. Ahmad Jibrail, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, can you tell us the answer?
Process data displayed on the monitor is called output.
Okay. Hamza Suleiman, can you tell us?
Process data displayed on the monitor is called output.
Okay. Ahmad Shihab. Yes, please.
The process data
Say the answer
displayed on
directly.
the
Say the
monitor
answer directly,
is
Ahmad Shihab.
called output.
Okay, okay, okay. So, very well done. Three students give the right answer. Ahmad Awad, Ahmad Jibrail, Hamza Suleiman, Ahmad Shihab. Okay. Five students give the answer. Only four students give, Al Humam also give the answer. Five students give the answer, but four students had the right answer. Very good. Okay. And some students had the answer in the chat also. Okay, let me take the name. It's Ahmad Muhammad, Jad Al Sayyed, Faiza Al Mutari, and Karim Nasir, Eham, Ahmad Shahab, Abdul Aziz. No, Abdul Aziz. No, your answer is not correct. Hamza Suleiman, Ahmad Awad, Amro, Awal Muhammad. All these students give the right answer in the chat. Okay. So let me change the color of the answer. Okay. So now we are moving towards the question number 4. The question number 4 is saying that the devices that help us to enter data. The devices help us to enter data into the computer. Enter data into the computer. Enter data into the computer. The devices we use so many devices that help us to enter data into the computer. Everybody focus on the word that we are saying, enter data into the computer. It means something is going inside the computer. The data is going inside the computer. Okay, so those devices are called what? We are talking about the devices right now. So those devices are called what? Monitors, input devices, or speakers. Okay. Okay, let me, Abdullah Al Zulum. Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah, are you there? Abdullah, you can unmute
Yes,
yourself
sir.
now.
Yes, sir.
Tell us the answer, please. What are you saying?
The devices that help us to enter the data are called input devices.
Okay. Now let's see who have we have. Firas. Firas, you are not raising hand. Firas Suleiman. Can you tell us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Can you tell us the answer? The devices that help us to enter data into the computer is called what?
Monitor.
Through monitor, we can enter data into the computer.
No.
So you are saying monitor. You are saying this thing that we can enter data into the computer through monitor. You are saying
Input device.
okay. Okay. Now you pick the correct one. Okay. So who else is there? Hatem. Hatem, you are also not raising hand. Can you tell me the answer, please? Hatem, are you there? Abdullah Al Harbi. Abdullah, you are also not raising hand. Can you tell me the answer, please? Ahmad Awal. Yes, what is the answer? Ahmad Awal, are you
Input
there?
device. Sir,
Okay,
input device.
okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so many students give the answer. It's an input device. See, we are saying that the devices, we have to tell that the devices that help us to enter data. You have to tell me the devices that help us to tell enter the data into the computer are called monitor. Can we enter data with the help of monitor? No. Can we enter data into the computer with the speaker? No. Can we enter data with the help of input devices? Yes. Because enter and input. Enter data into the computer means input the data into the computer. So input devices is the correct answer. Input devices is the correct answer. And so many students give that answer in the chat. Jihad Al Sayyed, it's Al Humam, Jihad Muhammad, Hamza Suleiman, Amro, Ahmad Shahab, Ahmad Awad, Ahmad Muhammad, Ahmad Jibrail, Kareem Muhammad, Anas Al Sayyed, Hamza Walid, Eham, Jihad Muhammad Naji. All these students give the right answer in the chat. Okay, so the answer for this question is input devices. Let me change the color of this answer so that it will be visible for you. Okay, so everybody is done till question 4, MCQs number 4. Question 1 is done. Everybody done with 4 MCQs? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So now we are moving towards the question number 2. The question number 2 is saying that think of a scenario. Think of a scenario, plot or plan where data is feed, where data is feed into the computer. Okay, processed by it. They are saying, think of a scenario, think of an idea where data is fed into the computer, processed by it, and finally displayed as output. Write down in steps as clearly as you can. So, we will make this, we will discuss this example. Now we are making the sentence. Now we are making the sentence related to the processing and input and output form. So data is fed into the computer. So let's consider it. So I am just writing the example. Let me change the color. So this is the English word. Right now, if you read this sentence, so this sentence will not generate any meaning because, but we are humans. Remember, we are humans. We can pick that what this sentence is saying. But when we type that sentence in the computer, it will show that you typed the sentence wrong. Okay, so so we write one sentence: name my, okay, name my is UIS school. So this is the data. Where is the data? The data is given there. See where data is feed into the computer. So we pick the data. Okay, let me write the example first completely and then I will explain it. Wait a second. So if you see, there is a thing. What is the thing right now? This is a data, and this is this thing, and this thing is a processing, and this is a output. So this is the simple way. You guys can take a screenshot of this thing. You guys can take a screenshot of this thing. Let me write it here. So this is a data. This is a processing. We already done that in the class. Okay, and this is a output. So this is the simplest example for the sentence. If we type this line in the computer, name my is UIS school, then it's a data. Computer will give the error. Okay, but after doing the processing, in one or two steps we do the processing. The processing is done, then now the output is giving us a information that my school name is UIS. Everybody took a screenshot of this question. Everybody took a screenshot of this question and write it in the question number 2. Everybody took the screenshot? Say yes or no. Everybody took the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
No.
I take a screenshot.
Okay,
Sir,
just take a picture of this screen.
how sir I can do a screenshot in the computer?
Okay,
I'm
you can take a
using the
picture
iPhone.
from your mobile. That's it. It's easy.
Okay, sir. But only give me 1 minute, sir, to give them.
أنا
Only
Take a
1 minute.
screenshot. It will take only 2 seconds.
Yes, wait just a minute.
إلا في
Okay.
النهاية
Okay, along with it, I will also upload the video lecture of this worksheet on the class light after the classes. After the today's classes, I will upload the video lecture. If you didn't got the screenshot, then you will see the video lecture there and write it in the worksheet. The one question is left. We will continue the third question in the next class. And till now, the period is over. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay, bye everyone.